Question from the audience. Is it a good idea to open a brick and mortar non-alc lounge or bottle shop, even though we live in a digital world and a post-COVID shutdown world? This is a wonderful question because the answer is it is actually needed more now than I feel like ever before. Having a place to be able to exist in the world and enjoy all of these incredible beverages, it's so necessary. There's not enough. But not only is that the most obvious revenue stream that comes from opening up a brick and mortar location, but there's a lot of things that you can do behind the scenes that not everybody can see because not everybody is your ideal client for every single offer that you have. You can throw ticketed events that have raffles that people have to buy into. You can start a blog and monetize it with a bunch of affiliate links. You can wholesale to other businesses in the area that just are still trying to catch up and understand what's even going on in this industry. Look, it's the era of content creation, so people need a place to do cool things. If your place looks cool, why not rent it out to content creators? Look, you've been learning a lot along the way. Why can't you educate people too? The thing is, most business owners are too scared to talk to people who they view as their competition, when in reality, if we were all just in conversation, we'd realize how some people have skills that others don't, and vice versa. So if we were all to just take a look and see how we could help each other, you'd actually see that there's a lot of other revenue streams in there too. My name is Marina, and I am a non-alc and kava industry consultant and educator. My goal is to basically be a think tank and resource bank for you if you are a business owner in anywhere inside of this industry and you'd like to learn more about expanding your revenue streams and your impact. And that's just what we say on the surface, but it really goes much deeper than that.